So this US 30 analysis for Wednesday, the 14th of February. Now, let's have a look what happened prices and see where prices might potentially go. So we saw prices head up towards this 24,650. From there, just bear with me a second here. So we saw prices come down towards this 24,420. Found support at 24,420, from which we did see a break of the 24,550. Previously, we had a few tests before we had a pullback, before we saw a break of this strong buy side momentum. Now, this buy side momentum has now taken us above the 24,650. So the very next level that we are looking at is in around 24,700, from which we have previously had a bit of a reaction just more recently, and a pullback down towards this 24,650. Now, if we do see further upside continuation here on the US 30, we're looking to see our prices react around 24,700, a successful break from which we're looking for price head towards us 24,864. Sorry about that if that's just damaged the audio, but yeah, if we hold on to 24,700, we're looking for price head towards our 24,864. We do have to be aware of the 200 period moving average as well, currently sitting in around the 24,780, which may act as a dynamic level of resistance, which could potentially see prices move back down towards 24,700 or 24,650. If, however, we do successfully break above the 200 period moving average, we're looking again for a move up towards that 24,864, a successful break from which we're looking for prices to head towards the 25,000 mark on the US 30. So overall, let's just get this scheduled. Overall, we are making a bit of a recovery here on the US 30 after the pretty erratic sell-off that we saw earlier. So again, we've mentioned levels to the upside. If we, however, fell to break above this 24,700, we'll see our price react around 24,650. Successful break from which the downside, we're looking for prices to head down towards the... let's just see where that is. Again, we're looking to see our prices react around the 24,550. Successful break from which we're looking for prices to head towards the 24,420 level. With that said, that pretty much wraps up the US 30 analysis. We do have potentially a double top here in around 24,700. So we'll see if we do turn around from here, from which we're looking for prices to head down towards the swing lows in the market in around this 24,420. From which we could potentially see that buy side momentum re-enter the market and for prices to head upwards. Now, I don't think we've mentioned the levels that we should be looking at to the downside. And if we just have a quick look here. So first, we'll see our prices react towards the 24,509. Once we do successfully navigate 24,550, again, we will look and see our price react around 24,420. Successful break from which we will look to see our prices react around the 24,238. Market volatility has come down quite a bit, so I wouldn't anticipate us moving much beyond the 24,238. But if we did see a sell side momentum come into the market from in around the 24,238, we're looking to see our price react in around the 24,071 level. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US 30 analysis. Thanks for watching.